Hi everybody, welcome to my workshop titled Pick It Up and Put It Here, teaching your dog to pick up and deliver all sorts of objects. When I'm shaping a basic pickup, let me just give you my few steps here, or I should say a few of my steps. Orient towards the object. So if my dog even notices the object that I have, I'm going to reinforce that. Just look at it. Just notice that it exists in the world. Move towards it. I'm going to reinforce for moving towards the object next. A stimulus gradient. And the stimulus in this case is the retrieve object that I'm presenting to my dog. The gradient talks about how similar it is to the last stimulus that you used. But what I want to go back to here is my point. There we go. Good. That my hands on it aren't the release. The release is the marker. Good. So she got it that time. I'm going to jackpot that one.